Hi everyone. So today we are going to talk about the TestNG and data-driven testing. So scenario, so you need to test the same login functionality with multiple sets of the credentials, example valid admin and valid user and invalid user without duplicating your test code. So if you consider the definition, so TestNG is a testing framework for the Java that helps you organize, run and generate reports for your test. So it's at the rate data provider annotation is a powerful feature that allows you to run the same test method multiple times with the different sets of the data. So analogy, like think of the test method as a chef and the data provider as a waiter. So the waiter brings a list of different orders, your test data sets, and the chef prepares the same dish and execute the test logic for the each order one by one. So if you consider the sample code snippet, so we have the at the rate data provider method and at the rate test method. So at the rate data provider supplies the multiple sets of the data. So at the rate data provider annotation and name equals to login data and public object get data method. So return new objects and we will get the we will input the set of data like admin password 123 and user test 123 and guest. So the test method consumes the data at the rate test data provider equals to login data. So the public void test string username and string password. So this is the your test logic goes here. And tip using TestNG annotations like the at the rate before method or at the rate before class for setup task and example opening the browser and at the rate after method and at the rate after class for the takedown actions like closing the browser. So to make the test cleaner. So conclusion, combining the TestNG's data provider feature enabling the powerful and scalable data-driven testing, allowing you to achieve the broad test coverage with the minimal code. So common questions, what is the advantage of using the data provider or simply running a test in a loop? So a data provider makes the each data set run separately test iteration. If the one of the set data causes a failure, TestNG reports it and continues with the next set. So a simple loop would typically stop the entire test method upon the first failure. So can a data provider read the data from an external file? Yes, it is a very common practice. You can write logic inside the data provider method to read the data from the external sources like Excel sheets and CSV files or databases which further separate your test data from your test code.